Don't glue it. JB Weld it.
Hi, I'm Tyson. JB Weld's twin tubes are JB Weld's original epoxy adhesives. They work on just about any surface. When strength really matters, JB Weld Original Twin Tube is a two-part epoxy that comes in two separate tubes. Make sure the surface is clean. Apply JB Weld epoxy mixture to both sides of the repair surface with the stirring stick. JB Weld Original Twin Tube sets in about 6 hours and fully cures in about 24 hours. This repair is now done. Let dry, then recap the tubes for next use. Original Twin Tube is easy to use on just about any surface, and it's great for projects around the house, in the garage, and craft room. When strength really matters, use JB Weld Original Twin Tube, our most popular epoxy adhesive.
JB Weld, world's strongest bond.